Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change LED light color on your speaker XIAOMI Sound Party. So right now I have the orange one. To change the LED light, firstly you need to turn on your speaker. So your speaker should be turned on, and then we need to single press at the power button. And let's do this. So we have orange, and now we change it to the yellow. Then we have red, single press, purple, the white, and we return to the orange. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.